Alright, so now we've got SDRPlay support in SDRAngel. I showed in an earlier video how to add it to DragonOS. It's my intent to make that just be a part of DragonOS Focal on the next release. I wanted to show something a little more unique, a faster video here, just getting right to the point. DVSB, I tried to figure this out on how to broadcast this, and turns out that GNU Radio has some examples included in it. So let's get right at it. If you just look in the user share GNU Radio examples DTV, which I'm already there, and we're going to pull up GNU Radio Companion, and we'll use the DVSB _tx.grc. I'm going to load this up. I have the B205 mini-i plugged in, and I have an RSP1 alpha plugged in, and I kept tweaking this till I finally got it figured out. There is a file you're going to have to download. Here's the link to it right here. That is what you're going to use up here for the file source. And let's see, right here. And we're going to make a couple changes here. So we're going to change the symbol rate to starting with a 5. That'll have, that will take our samp rate back to 10. And also, I'm sure you could probably do this with, or you could probably do it with a hack RF. I just don't have mine handy right at the moment, so I'm wiping out the device address. And let's see, this is for the B205. Alright, so we've got this. Yeah. Let's save this to the desktop. We'll start this up. And I'm going to go ahead and take the TX gain up to 80 something. Now I already have SDRAngel open. I would have, I'm going to be making a shortcut here to the SDRPlay support. We open it up, and one other thing. Let's see. Forgot. I have it set up for 434. That's in that, 1.28 gig. So if you got a license and all that, I've got a setup here shielding this transmission. Let's see. Okay, so 434. Start this up. Take our gain up. Now, I've already got the RSP1 alpha selected here, and what I found is sometimes it'll come up with 2 here, and that's because the SOAPy SDR server is running. It's just a service that's running. You could always stop that because it doesn't really give you a good way, like on Cubic SDR where it tells you local and then local net or something like that. It doesn't really give you a good way to differentiate between the two. I found when I click one and I enable the device, if nothing's really happening, I don't know, it must just not like the SOAPy SDR service, so I'll switch to the other one that's not using that. I've got the, well, you can basically see my settings here. You can tweak it as needed. I'm going to come down here. I'll turn the RFGR gain all the way down. I'll mess with this some. Let's see. And then I've kind of got this already set up. I got my sample rate to match what I put in there. QPSK, the FEC ratio 7:8. And let's see. So you can see, and it took me a little while to get this all set up and working. You can see the data coming in. So if I go over to video, and if anyone out there has better settings, for the most part I've got it to come in pretty good, just tweaking and fine-tuning. So just to kind of show that it's possible. I'm sure I'm not doing something exactly right, but I got it close enough just to say, hey, the SDRPlay is working in here. I wanted to make sure that the DATV add-in was working. And you know, I really couldn't do this well, so you got 10 meg on the RSP1 alpha, so I've got it set up to try and take advantage of that. Yeah, alright, so there you go. It's not perfect, but I'll keep working on it, and just wanted to show, you know, here's what I've got set up now. If anyone sees something better I can do, or a tweak that I can make to make this video clear, let me know. Alright, thanks.